Hi guys, welcome back to Raj Think. Today choose one button, yes or no or never. We have 30 questions. Only have 7 seconds to choose. If you ready to subscribe button fun games like this. Now let's get started. Do you want to travel to this place? Amazing! This is Havelock Island. Would you do this with your friends? Wow, travel all over the world. Would you practice this sport? Golf. Just choose one button. Subscribe to our channel. Choose yes. Would you play this game alone? Yes, Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. Would you practice this sport alone? Skydiving. Would you play this song at your wedding? Makeba by Jane. Would you like to drink this? Coca-Cola. Do you want to get this gift? Wow, Rolex watch. Would you like to have this snack? Oh no, Carolina Reaper. Would you do this with your friends? Bungee jumping. I like this. Would you like to be this type of person? Always in a bad mood. Would you accept this gift from Mr. Beast? That's a great gift, $100,000. Would you do this for $10,000? Oh no, hug a cactus. Do you accept this challenge? Rewind the videos 5 seconds. Would you survive a month without this? Never without a Wi-Fi, ha ha ha! Do you want to travel to this place? Kedarnath Temple. I like this place. Do you want to eat this dessert? Oh no, it's a burnt cake. Do you accept this challenge? Comment your country backwards. Would you adopt this animal? Chihuahua. Do you want to meet him in person? Oh yes, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Would you like to watch this movie? Kung Fu Panda. Do you want to press this button? Of course, skip ad. Do you want to meet him in person? Bill Gates. Do you want to be this superhero? Spider-Man. Would you dance with me to this song? Baby Shark. Would you give this to your best friend? PS5. Would you like to drink this? Seven Up. Do you want to have this phone? iPhone 15 Pro Max. Do you want to watch this Netflix show? Sweet Home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for fun. Quizzes like this. See you the next videos.